Ocular examination in children has its own challenges. Children often have a low threshold for longer torchlight examination. The direct torchlight causes photophobia and irritation, which makes the child look away. Also, the plain torchlight becomes more dull and boring for them. Our aim as an examiner is to make the examination child friendly without taking much time. So, we came up with an innovative idea which is extremely simple and can be carried out for each and every child. We made these colorful pictures and placed them in front of the torch and showed it to the children, simultaneously doing the ocular examination. The translucent paper reduced the photophobia without compromising the quality of examination. In addition, the colorful images helped the child to focus on the torch for a longer time. The advantages are quick and anterior segment examination, examination of fixing and following pattern, Hirschberg's test, and cover test. This proved to be a simple yet very useful, child-friendly and economical tool in our day-to-day practice. Thank you.